It is really easy to integrate external instruments into your Octatrack. So all sounds that come in and out of the Octatrack are facilitated by what the Octatrack classifies as a machine. And different machines do different things. In this video, we're going to talk about through machines as a means of getting your external instruments into the Octatrack. It's an amazing feature that allows you to treat your external instruments as if they were the resident sound on your Octatrack. We're going to use the MC303 as our external source. So first thing, we're going to turn everything on, route our audio out of the Roland MC303 and into inputs A and B on the Octatrack. So we're good to go, right? No. We access the through machine by hitting one of the 8 designated tracks that you would like to use for your external input, or hitting the playback button on that track. So in this example, we're going to use track number 5 as our gateway for the MC303. And in this menu you see here, of the 6 columns, you're going to see input A and B. That represents the channels that we're coming into, so we're going to select both of those because we're running in stereo. You could only plug in one if you wanted to. The second column deals with the volume. You can raise the volume, lower the volume, whatever you want, that's fine. Below it refers to input C and D, which we're not using, so we've canceled those out by not assigning them to the through machine. And what we've also done is we've established a MIDI connection between the Octatrack and the MC303 so that when we hit play on the Octatrack, the Roland MC303 will follow. Which means now that we can pretty much forget about the MC303 if we needed to and do everything that we want to do from the Octatrack, including add effects, glitches. With some exceptions, we can process the MC303 just as if it was a resident sample. So let's hit play and take a look at what things sound like running from the 303 into the Octatrack. One more thing, to engage a track, you have to hold the relevant track button and press play if you don't hear any sound. As you'll see here, you can toggle between the two. It may be something that you miss, but generally you should be fine. So as you can see, this is an amazing feature that you can have really up to 4 external instruments all running into the Octatrack, all being processed by the Octatrack to get the most out of a live setup situation. It's an amazing feature. It's something that really showcases the efficiency of the Elektron Octatrack. Anyway, if you liked and learned something today, subscribe to me here on YouTube, hit the notification button so you can stay current on all our videos pertaining to sampler technology and education, and take yourself onto thedaydreamsound.com. I will catch you on the next one. In the meantime, take care of yourself. Peace.